za michezo na burudani. Na tuanze na kombe la Kagame ambapo timu ya Azam imeweza kutinga katika hatua ya robo finali ya michuano hiyo baada ya kuifunga Adama City ya Ethiopia mabao 5-2 katika mchezo uliochezwa uwanja wa Taifa jijini Dar es Salaam. Mabao ya Azam FC yamefungwa na Kipre Cheche aliyefunga mabao mawili, Faridi Musa, Mudathir Yahya na Agri Morris.
You talk about impressing, you talk about a man having his first start in the tournament, and you also talk about a man scoring his second goal of the tournament. Fence, Nyoni, looking for anyone in wide, and it's in! Up Kipre Cheche, and Azam have doubled their advantage. The goalkeeper wasn't very sure where it was headed. And there was only one destination intended by the Ivorian. His second goal of the game. Once the ball in the center, still an opportunity! 3-0 is the score. At this rate, Adama City are in trouble. 31 minutes gone. And Azam have scored as many goals as they have scored in the tournament.